In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram story highlight cover on Visme. Before we jump in, here's the goal. A clean, eye-catching cover that matches your profile's look and helps people quickly recognize your content categories. Think of these covers as your Instagram's storefront. Simple, consistent, and on-brand. Start by opening Visme and heading to the Templates section. In the search bar, type Instagram highlight cover. You'll see a wide variety of ready-made designs, from minimalist icons to playful illustrations. Take a moment to browse and imagine how each style fits your profile. Look for designs with clear icons, strong contrast, and plenty of breathing room around the edges, since Instagram crops covers into circles. Choosing a template that already feels close to your brand will save you time later. Once you spot a template you like, select it to open the editor. Most highlight cover templates are already sized to fit Instagram stories, so you can focus entirely on the visuals. If you're creating multiple covers, aim for consistency. Use the same core style across all of them so your profile feels cohesive. Next, customize the design. Click on the icon and update it to represent the content of that highlight. Maybe a camera for photos, a map pin for travel, or a fork for food. Adjust the colors to match your brand palette. You can use the color picker to grab your exact brand tones or create a complementary scheme that's easy to read at a glance. Keep contrast in mind. Light icons pop on dark backgrounds and vice versa. For the background, you can go with a solid color for a clean look, a soft gradient for depth, or a subtle pattern. Try to avoid overly busy textures, as they can distract from the icon. Now, open the Assets panel to add shapes or icons. Search for keywords related to your theme and choose icons that match your style. Outline icons pair well with minimalist designs, while filled icons feel bold and modern. You can add simple shapes like circles or rings to frame the icon, reduce their opacity for a refined look, and use alignment tools to perfectly center everything. Keep margins generous so nothing gets cut off in the circular crop. That's all there is to it. Search for Instagram highlight cover, select a template, edit the icon, colors, and background to match your profile, and enhance it with shapes or icons from the Assets panel. With a few thoughtful choices, your highlight covers will look professional and perfectly on brand.